Let's turn this thrifted linen tablecloth into a shirt. So first I need some measurements. I'll go ahead and put them on the screen here because it's a little difficult to explain in such a short time. But basically I'm getting my bust, the length I want my shirt to be, and then the length for the straps. I do want to mention I found this on the Essentials Club on YouTube. I have never made any clothing before, so I found that tutorial and I thought it was pretty straightforward. So here's what my measurements ended up being. So 9 inches across, I wanted a 3-inch dip. My total panel is 12 inches by 18.5 inches. I just took my bust, divided it in half, and added some seam allowance, which you saw in those measurements. Here I'm just doing my little dip in the underarm area. I fold it in half. I'm measuring 4.5 inches because that's 9 divided by 2, and then 3 inches down and making a little diagonal line, connecting them and cutting out the fabric. Oh my God, that was a lot. Okay, and then I'm making 2 pieces of facing. So it's just the same shape on the top and then about 2 or 3 inches down from the underarm area. So I have 2 main panel pieces, 2 pieces of facing, and then my straps, I did 17 by 4 inches. So I'm going to sew these right sides together. I'm doing a straight stitch and then a zigzag stitch just to prevent it from fraying. I've never done this before, you guys, but I got the hang of it. I'm just going to press my straps so that the seam is in the middle, and then we're going to start assembling. So right side up on the panel, right side down on the straps, and right side down on the facing. Doing the same thing, just sewing around the top 3 edges and then a zigzag stitch. And then we're doing the same thing on the other side. If you want a full, like, in-depth tutorial, I would check out the Essentials Club on YouTube. I am 100% self-taught when it comes to sewing. All of my tote bags have just come from a lot of trial and error until I got it perfect. So if I want to start making clothes, that's what I have to do. Just keep trying it and make changes and, go see how it goes. This is how it turned out. I think it's pretty okay for my first time. What do you think? I'm going to make some matching shorts.